headed back out to the pool area. I came back, walked around the pool for a little bit. Now I was hungry, so I wanted to grab a bite to eat, and now I'm headed back home. I do the water slide with the GoPro. Couldn't really get a straight answer if it's allowed or not. One benefit of having this, they got the little buggy for rent. So once you get done off the L through the end of the pier, that's the first thing you'll want to do. And you got the shops to the left over here. That's where you go to make your excursions. But if you just want to do the free pool, you'll make a right. And it's not a long drive. Friendly people here. I've not had any problems with anything. Feel safe. Even be by myself. So no issues there. So you got one of the good photo ops to this side. Got grass. Good kind of brick cobblestone type roads.
So Abby,
You got a restaurant here. Here are some cabanas rent. I'm sure those, I think I've heard those over $1,000. So we all can do that. They do have a zip line, it is extra. This is the pool. You're always going to be crowded when you get free pool. This close to it is big, so even though it's going to be really crowded, you can space out. So that's unfortunately, I could not get on the water slide with the GoPro, which is goofy, considering I just did a jump off a 20-foot water slide. I mean, a 20-foot waterfall. And then I can't get on the kids' water slide.